Studying soil is about, studying the world around us.
The way that the earth comes together with water, air, and living things to create this media that sustains life and sustains our whole society.
We rely on soil for so much. It supports our buildings, provides our crops, it cleans our air and our water. So there's this connection with the experiences of people.
The biggest reward for me is when a farmer tell me they implemented things that we created, that we tested, and that changed their life.
Agriculture is one of those disciplines that connects you to the land more directly.
What do you like to do? Do you like to be outdoors? Do you like to work in more of a lab setting or inside?
We have some people who spend summers and springs out traveling around. They'll go to farmers' fields and sample soils.
I get to take these big data sets, work away on them kind of at my own time and my own pace, which I love. After all that work and all of that coordinated effort between all these people, we finally come away with new knowledge, with new information.
We're representing the world around us in numbers. Capabilities we have to study these systems are ever expanding as our technology expands.
Our field is growing exponentially.
A lot of people that work in soil science didn't necessarily grow up on farms.
Anyone can do it.
There are so many opportunities.
Soils aren't going away. We're going to need soil scientists for a long time.
There's so much that we are doing in agriculture that's innovative, and it's feeding the world and it's feeding our communities.
We have a healthy soil to support healthy plants, to support healthy humans.